In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download your data on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile, hit Add menu and select your activity. Then just scroll down, and at the very bottom you can easily find download your information. Just tap on it. And there it says that you can get a copy of whatever you have shared on Instagram. We'll email you a link to a file with your photos, comments, profile information, and more. But unfortunately, it may take up to 30 days to collect this data and send it to you. If you have enough time, you can just enter your email here and then tap on request download, and then within 30 days you will get an email with all your data on Instagram. But if you want to quickly send your let's say messages or your comments or someone's comments, the easiest way for you in that case is just to take a screenshot, so you can just get into some conversation, then just press at the same time volume up and power button on the iPhone, and that will make a screenshot. Then you can crop it in that way if you want to save some specific part of that screenshot, and then just hit add done to save it. Now you can select whether you want to save it to photos, to files, to quick note. Also you can hit add copy and delete. That means that the screenshot will be copied to the clipboard, and then you will be able to send it to somebody via Messenger without saving this screenshot to your photos gallery. And also, if you don't need to save this screenshot, you can select delete screenshot. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.